Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel where we break down the most important and useful tools in crypto trading. Today we've got a special topic, volume profile. We'll explain how this indicator works, why you need it, and how you can use it in your trading strategies. Even if you're a beginner, don't worry, we're going to go over everything step by step. So let's dive right in. The volume profile is a tool that helps traders understand how much buying and selling is happening at a given moment. It shows where buyers and sellers are positioned and helps you figure out who's controlling the market. Sounds complicated? Don't worry, I'll break it down for you. It measures the difference between buying and selling volumes over a specific period. While the delta is positive, it means buyers are in control. If the delta is negative, it means sellers are putting pressure on the market. This indicator allows you to better determine who's in charge of price movements. For example, if the price is rising but the delta shows strong selling pressure, it could be a sign that the upward move isn't sustainable. As a result, a trader might decide not to enter the market or even take a short position. Imagine you're trading Bitcoin, the price is rising and you see that the delta is also positive, which means buyers are confidently supporting the upward movement. But then, suddenly, the delta turns negative even though the price continues to climb a little. This is a crucial sign that buyers are starting to lose control and sellers may soon take over. This could be the point where you exit the trade or even open a short position. The primary use for the volume profile among most traders is to identify key support and resistance levels. Here are a few more examples of how it can be applied. If today's opening price is above the value area of the previous day, you can expect a pullback to the point of control followed by continued growth. If today's opening price is below the previous day's value area, expect a pullback to the control point, then a continuation of the decline. If today's opening price is completely outside the previous day's value area, this could signal a potential breakout in price direction. This tool is great for both beginners and experienced traders. Newbies can get a better understanding of market movements while professionals can refine their entry and exit points by measuring buyer and seller activity at key levels. So there you have it friends, that's how the volume profile can help you trade more effectively. It might seem complicated at first, but once you grasp how it works, it'll become an invaluable part of your toolkit. If you have any questions or want to learn more about other indicators, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you in the next episode where we'll dive into even more useful tools for crypto trading. See you soon!